Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗻𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on zinc. On the daily chart, zinc has traded with a higher high formation while it also breached the previous week's high, underlying the bullish trend. Prices are yet to breach the previous day's low for the last 3 sessions, supporting the bullish move. Therefore, the support should be around the level of 255 or 254, while the resistance should be around the level of 61.8, retracement level of 266 for the day. RSI has a bullish crossover as it trades within the overbought zone, supporting the bullish move. Therefore, a buy and dip strategy could be used targeting the level of 265 or 266, while a close in an hourly chart below the level of 250 should negate the bullish bias. Hence, we expect zinc to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.